Hi guys, so what I'm making again is syrup, which the name is homemade cough syrup, and it's from my favorite book again. I shared this recipe before, about a month ago I believe, or a couple weeks ago, and the recipe comes from the Essential Life book, and I've been using this syrup on my family. I think this is my third time making it within like the month and a half maybe. We use it all the time, especially my husband have been using it for his seasonal threats, if you know what I mean. He has itchy eyes and an itchy throat and itchy everywhere. So, and he actually really likes this syrup. It actually really helps him. It smooths everything in there, so it's really good. He actually really likes it. So I just finished it and I ran out, so I have to make new syrup again because he asked for it. So I'm just gonna measure half a cup of honey. The only thing is I don't have my lemon essential oil, so I'm actually gonna have to use real lemon. So if you don't have all the ingredients, it's fine. Just use all the ingredients that you have, or the oils that you have. I mean, just the honey is so wonderful for your throat, soothing your throat and making it feel better, and coating it before you go to bed. So I just have this measuring cup right beside it, so I sort of know how much it is, because I don't really like making mess. And if you would use a little bit more honey or less honey, it's still okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. But I think we're almost there. I think that's maybe a little bit more, just because this is so much wider. But I think that's good. So what the recipe calls for is 8 drops of peppermint. My lemons actually come in, I believe it should have been here today, so hopefully it will get here tomorrow. 1, 2. That's 8 drops of peppermint essential oil. There it is. And then it calls 8 drops of lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze the whole lemon in there. It's an organic lemon I just bought today. So I'll just squeeze that. Squeeze all that juice in there. I actually never tried with the lemon, so, but from the look of it, it looks like it might get it a little bit more watery instead of using that essential oil. Let me see once I mix it. Yeah, you can see, wow, the lemon has a lot of juice. Like I say, if you're missing an oil, it's still better than not making the syrup at all. So I think I'll squeeze the other half. Because the oils are so much more concentrated. They're up to 70% more concentrated than the herb or the fruit itself. So I'm going to squeeze the whole lemon. There it is. And then we have lavender. So 8 drops of lavender again. I need to get more oils again because I'm running out. I've been using a lot of these oils lately. Diffusing them every day, every night. And I have 3 diffusers, so my lavender is running out. That was my husband, if you heard him. And like I said, this syrup helps him amazingly. He actually asked for it today. So I have to make it. Otherwise I would wait till I get the lemon essential oil. Just mix this up a little bit. So yeah, this mixes syrup a little bit more watery than, way more watery than the one I usually make. It's just gonna have to do. Like this, and then what we need is 8 drops of frankincense. Which I'm almost done with. But I have to do another order, and I'm gonna get frankincense for free, which is really cool. And 3 drops of clove oil. 2, 3. And then wild orange, 3 drops of wild orange. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 went in there. And then I need 1 more oil, and that is cinnamon, which I forgot, so I'll be right back. Here's my cinnamon oil. So we just need 1 drop of this one. Some oils take a while to drop, especially at the end. So there it is. There's the syrup. Now you just make sure you mix it. So because it is quite more watery, we'll probably use 2 teaspoons instead of just 1. And if you are gonna make this syrup, just make sure your oils are really pure and the highest quality of essential oils, because when I talk about oils taking it internally, I strictly talk about doTERRA essential oils. I would not use essential oils, especially that ones you buy in a store, especially taking them internally. You might apply them on the skin, whatever you wish, but I would not take them internally. Most of them you actually can take internally. So there it is. So hope this was helpful, and this is one way we could keep our immune system strong through this season, and it's been very helpful. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I shared it again, but maybe you haven't seen it. Some people might not see it, so there it is again. And like I said, I just gave you another way. Like if you don't have all the ingredients, you don't need to have all of them. You can use real fruit. You can even probably add garlic into it, which I was thinking. Soak in garlic there for a couple days, but maybe I'll do that next time. So there it is. Thanks, guys.